Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on Doogee T20. To this we'll need to remove a cover and now take a needle, and a SIM card slot should be located right here if there is any. Now use the needle to open it, and inside there's one SIM slot for sure, but let me check. Okay, so there's one SIM slot right here that you can put, and another one you can add right here, but this would sacrifice a place for SD card. So you can either use one SIM card and one SD card, or two SIM cards, and basically nothing else. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.